So what is up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So in today's video I'm going to be answering the number one question, that is, should we buy an iPhone SE in 2019? And in today's video there's going to be answer for this question, so let's get started. Well, the number one factor why any person try to opt for an iPhone is, well, its photography and its video quality. As you can see in this image, this photo was taken at Hostel's Reservoir, and this is one of the best shots I've ever taken or somebody has ever taken of me, and I really appreciate the high dynamic range and everything really makes up for that. And any person who is like a photographer or likes to take different type of photos, well, iPhone SE will definitely impress you. And not just that, it's chamfer edges and just basically overall form factor and just its aesthetic looks. Most of the people use an iPhone XS Max but still say that iPhone SE is my favorite iPhone just because its body is too great. The iPhone 6 and 6s had a great body, but that was a bit slippery, and so just it was not at all making any sense for any person. They had to put a cover on it which really killed its aesthetic looks, and so people tried to opt for the iPhone SE. And iPhone SE is, well, for sure one of the greatest iPhones ever made, and not just its photo quality is better, but its video quality is also up to the point. And I want to tell that it is a 12 megapixel sensor, and the same sensor is repeated in the iPhone XS and XS Max even, but just with a little bit more advanced technology. But I just want to tell that if you are a person from Android universe, you definitely will appreciate that. And not just that, I want to talk about, well, its overall factor. You can see I am doing multitasking, or you can see I'm opening different tasks, and it does not look like it's a 4-year or 4-5-year-old iPhone up to this point, just because everything is so smooth and fluid. You can see opening the camera app, opening the health app, just basically everything looks more natural. Even if I give it a like a fast jerk, it still has no lag. And as you can see, I have this iPhone which I'm using is actually full of its storage capacity. So if you are a person to go for, I definitely will recommend you a 64 gig or like a higher end model and not 32 gig version, just because it is not so sufficient. The storage is not so great. Well, again, every single app is really blessed, and definitely I will suggest, if you're a light using person, it definitely makes a lot of sense for you. And if you are using an Android phone, and if you have recently bought one, and if you want to get a secondary device, well, the iPhone SE is a definitely win for that purpose. And not just that, but everything is a lot fluid. I would suggest that this is one of the greatest iPhones, and in 2019 even still it holds up pretty great. Let it be the multitasking, just typing and all, overall aesthetic looks, its beautiful rose gold color variant, and just basically everything about the iPhone SE is really great. And I just, there are so many things which I want to talk to you guys, that how iPhone SE is better in every single way, but it will take a lot of time. So in today's video, I'm just telling you, if you're a person just want to get an iPhone SE, you can surely get it now, and I'm going to be making a detailed review on it soon. I want to cover every single topic, from its camera to just overall aesthetic looks, for its pricing to everything, but just there is no time for me to make that video, but I will soon cover that video as well. So this was a pretty short video, and hope so you have liked today's video. If you have liked, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more videos,